Hello everyone, welcome to Jurisedge Academy. In this video today we are going to talk about reservation. Now reservation क्या होता है तो मैक्सिमम लोगों को पता ही है, बट फिर भी एक बार मैं बोल देता हूँ what is reservation. Reservation is provided to the marginalized people to get them at par with the mainstream in one simple line. Now आज के इस वीडियो में हम लोग बात करेंगे रिजर्वेशन को लेके, स्पेशली हॉरिजॉन्टल और वर्टिकल रिजर्वेशन को लेके. So let's start the video. Now before starting the video, I need to tell you two very important things. If you haven't joined the Telegram channel, kindly do join it. The link is given below in the description. And also for CLAT PG 2023, CLAT PG Capsule course has been launched. It's specially designed for 3 months preparation. If you haven't checked it, do check it, enroll. It's very, very helpful for the student. Now let's get into the case. Why we are talking about this case? Recently, Madras High Court in the case Satheesh versus Department of Revenue held that women reservation can only be horizontal, it cannot be vertical. In that relation we are talking about this particular case and we are decoding this case. Now before getting into the facts of this case, हम लोग थोड़ा देख लेते हैं कि vertical reservation क्या होता है and horizontal reservation क्या होता है. वो जानना बहुत अंडरस्टैंडिंग के लिए सही होगा हम लोग के. Now first is vertical reservation. Vertical reservation क्या होता है? अगर मैं आपको एक लाइन में एग्जांपल दूं, that is 16(4) is a vertical reservation. Whatever the reservation that is given to backward classes, SC, ST, OBC, those are called vertical reservation. Now, if I talk about then what is a horizontal reservation? Horizontal reservation, एक example है 15(3). Women, veteran, PWDs, any kind of special reservation that is given for a special class, that is called special reservation and horizontal reservation. Now, these are the two reservation that is the main themes of this particular case. Now let's get into the fact. Now here in this case, Tamil Nadu Public Service Commission issued a notification for a job where preliminary exam, final exam, उसके बाद interview round होगा. That is the job, the main process. You already know there are many exams followed this system. Now the main problem that arises from the reservation quota reservation system that has been given for this particular job recruitment. Now जो reservation policy दिया गया, not only policy, sorry, जो रिजर्वेशन कोटा दिया गया इस पर्टिकुलर केस में, दैट इज कि वुमेन रिजर्वेशन इज गोइंग टू बी काउंटेड फॉर वर्टिकल एंड दैट्स वेयर द होल प्रॉब्लम लाइज. सो लेट्स गेट इन द प्रॉब्लम एट हैंड. सेक्शन 26 and 27 of the Tamil Nadu Government Servants Act basically stipulates the 30% reservation, this vertical reservation for women. And that's why these particular two sections are also challenged under this batch of petitions, where not only the reservation quota of this particular exam has been challenged, and these two provisions have also been challenged because of this 30% vertical reservation for women. That's why coming to the issue of this case, issue is pretty much simple, whether the woman can be provided with the vertical reservation. Now let's get into the court reasoning. Now what court is saying? What do you think? Can women be given vertical reservation as well as horizontal reservation? Now here the court first relied on Indira Sahni judgment. Court पहले Indira Sahni judgment को देखा and Indira Sahni judgment में there are few observations that has been made in relation to the women reservation. So first the court pointed out कि जो Indira Sahni में बोला गया था, सबसे इम्पोर्टेंट चीज कि 15(3) के अंदर कोई वुमेन रिजर्वेशन नहीं दिया जाएगा फॉर पब्लिक एम्प्लॉयमेंट. तो फर्स्ट ऑब्जर्वेशन दैट हैज बीन मेड इन रिलेशन टू दिस वुमेन रिजर्वेशन इन पब्लिक एम्प्लॉयमेंट इज प्रीटी मच क्रिस्टल क्लियर दैट 15(3) के अंदर कोई भी रिजर्वेशन दिया नहीं जाएगा. नाउ कमिंग टू द नेक्स्ट प्रोविजन दैट इज 16(2). 16(2) स्पेसिफिकली एंड एक्सप्लिसिटली bars sex based any kind of reservation on the basis of sex, right? So 16(2) also bars women reservation for public employment. But having said that, Indira Sahni has given a leeway. What is that? Indira Sahni judgment में ये बोला गया, though there is no provision for women reservation for public employment as such in the Indian Constitution, but as women are vulnerable class, though there might be some way if government intends to give reservation for women in the public employment, by that it can happen. That's it from the Indra Sahni in relation to women reservation for public employment. But actual answer comes from another case, that is Rajesh Kumar Daria case, which is very important in relation to how the horizontal reservation and vertical reservation has to be calculated in one reservation quota. तो उसके बारे में राजेश कुमार दरिया ने क्या बोला गया? राजेश कुमार दरिया ने बोला गया कि अगर कहीं पर रिजर्वेशन दिया जा रहा है, horizontal vertical both reservation are there, for that how it is to be calculated? Let's take an example. Suppose out of the 100%, 50% reservation is given to the backward class SC, ST and these people. Now first 100 में से अगर 50 हम लोग छोड़ देते तो 50 बचता है, that has to be calculated on the based on merit. तो पहले मेरिट वाला सीट फील्ड अप हो जाता है. Then the rest 50% is already allotted for the reservation. So next 50% going for SC, ST, OBC and all the reservation that has been allotted. Fine. Now by that 100% reservation is done. Now in merit based and caste based or class based reservation, caste based backward class, other backward class and SC, ST reservation में कितने स्पेशल रिजर्वेशन हुआ है? मतलब यहाँ पर अगर एग्जांपल ले, वुमेन का कितना रिजर्वेशन, कितने परसेंटेज वुमेन ऑलरेडी आर बिलोंगिंग फ्रॉम मेरिट क्लास एंड ऑल्सो फ्रॉम द अदर बैकवर्ड क्लास SC class, ST and all those sides. Now we are going to calculate all those things and add up, and then we are going to see whether the special reservation, स्पेशल क्लास रिजर्वेशन जो वुमेन के लिए रखा गया था, इज दैट सेटिस्फाइड और नॉट. अगर वुमेन के लिए सपोज मान लेते 30% रिजर्वेशन है, सो 30% रिजर्वेशन के लिए वो मेरिट क्लास एंड अदर 50% रिजर्वेशन, उसमें से 30% वुमेन ऑलरेडी इंक्लूडेड है या नहीं. इफ that 30% is already included from the merit class and the reservation class, then that's it, done. Okay, there would be no extra special reservation that is going to be given for the women. But if that's not satisfied, then any seats left out, that will be allotted for the special reservation, either for women or other special class that is mentioned. Okay, so that's how your horizontal special reservation is going to be calculated. If you haven't understood it, because it's not that very difficult to understand, but if you haven't understood it, let me know in the comment box. I'll make a separate video to make you understand the horizontal and vertical reservation. Okay, now this is one of the important case for your understanding. Okay, so please take a note of this case. And in 2020 December, there is another case has been pronounced by Supreme Court. I am not remembering the exact name. Okay, but do check it out. That case is also very important regarding the horizontal and vertical reservation. Now let's get into the conclusion. In this case, the Madras High Court said that if the particular reservation quota, okay, it is to be interpreted the way it has been interpreted, then it has to be struck down. That where the 30% women vertical reservation has been given. But if how the Rajesh Kumar Daria suggested, in that case the Supreme Court suggested, if it has to be interpreted that way, then that particular provision and the reservation quota both has to be rearranged as per this particular Supreme Court case. So whatever the employment has been done, it is done. It is not going to be cancelled. But whatever the new employment is going to be taken on the basis of this particular reservation quota and notification, that has to be arranged or rearranged as per the Rajesh Kumar Daria case. Okay, and calculation has to be done on the horizontal and vertical reservation that has been given in this case. So this is it from my side regarding this case. So if you have found it helpful, do comment below. Let us know how you are liking it. We are coming up with videos, lot of videos every week, okay, to help your preparation for CLAT, PG and other LM exam preparation. And also don't forget to subscribe our channel, because it's very helpful for your exam. Okay, and don't forget to subscribe to the Telegram channel, I have already mentioned. And until next time, we're going to meet again talking about another very important topic. See you. Thank you.